Welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get Spotify Premium for absolutely free. So before we get into the video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe with the notification on, comment down below if you have any problems with this video or any other of my YouTube channel video. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is to open your Spotify account. When you open your Spotify account, you go to Spotify and then you either open if you have one. If you don't have one, you sign up. Let's just sign up one account. So when you come here, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will put your email. When you put your email, you confirm your email. When you confirm your email, you make a password for your Spotify account. When your password could be anything, so just put your password, what password you want, and put a profile name and then your date of birth. I'm just gonna put a random one, and your gender. If you want to get marketing messages from Spotify, just checkmark this, and if you want to register your data to Spotify, just checkmark this, but you need to checkmark this to agree all of Spotify term, condition and privacy, and click on I'm not a robot. When you click on you're not a robot, it will ask you to click some specific images. For me, for example, it's fire hydrant. It's this and this, and that's it, and you'll be able to sign up. When you're done signing up, you can save your password or you can download Spotify for your account. Once you're done signing up, make sure to go to your account. When you go to your account, click on Get Premium. When you click on Get Premium, it will come here. It will give you 1 month of free Spotify. To get that month, or you can change that to that's individual, that's duos, this family, this is student. Choose whichever you want. So let's say try choosing the family one. It's going to be free for 1 month. All of them is going to be free for 1 month. And if you choose the family one, you can share it with your family. Your account can be used by 6 people. So let's just click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, click on either credit card or PayPal. When you click on that, you put your postal code. I will put my postal code, and you should do the same. And click that. If you're in Canada, click this, that this offer is unavailable in Quebec. I confirm that I'm not a resident of Quebec. If you're from Canada, that is. And if you're from somewhere else, this might not be here, or it might be different, something else. I'm not sure what's going to be, but it might not be there, or it would be different. So once you're done, click on Continue Purchase. Once you're done doing that, if you choose credit card, you just put your credit card information. If you have PayPal, you just put your PayPal information. For example, I'm just putting my email and the password. I'm just logging into my PayPal. Okay, right here, as you see, when you agree and continue, it should be free for the first month. So right here, I already got the premium with my other account. So right now I'm not able to get it for free, but I can pay for free. I need to pay, but I don't need to, because I already have the premium. So I'm not going to pay it again. I have another account which I have the premium in. So let me just show you guys how to cancel your premium. So once you get the premium, click on accounts, and when you click on accounts, scroll down. When you scroll down, you should have something right here. It says premium, and right over here it will tell you that to cancel premium. So when you click on cancel premium, you should be able to cancel your premium, and it won't charge you after the free trial. You can use a credit card after that, or create a different PayPal to use to get the free premium Spotify. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe and notification on, comment down below if you have any problems with this video or any other. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Peace.